Good morning.
Did you guys hear, if you're listening in Westport, did you hear this creepy noise in Westport and Tiverton we beginning calls? It almost sounds like a tornado or something.
Yes, it scared me last night. I was sitting there watching TV with my husband. My daughter had just fallen asleep. All of a sudden we hear the sound. I'm like, Chris, you need to go outside right now and see what that is.
You're making the guy go outside?
He went outside. He's
answers.
like, I don't see anything. And then my neighbors ended up texting us. They're like, hey, do you hear that sound across the pond by any chance? I'm like, yeah, what is it? They're like, we have no idea.
How creepy is that, huh?
Yes.
Sounded like a tornado or a plane landing or something like that, but...
I was like, what's next? Aliens are coming to town?
Yeah, right?
Jesus.
2021 was supposed to be better.
Right.
All right, we'll get to the bottom of this.
Awesome. Thanks.